my beautiful friends, so welcome back to my channel. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video I am at Dollar Tree, and you guys are freaking out already. Oh my god, look what I just found. Oh my god, you guys, seriously, I'm freaking out. They have the new Nomis this year. Look at these prints. Let me just show you. There we go. I didn't want to show the person walking by, but I am so excited. They have new ones this year. I know that they have versions out there with the black nose, so hopefully I will find those. But so excited to find these today, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, seriously, I'm freaking out. And I'm actually going to include one in my giveaway, which I will be doing next week. So early next week I'll be doing my giveaway. So yeah, these are just, the only thing I will say is the I guess I could always just brush that. Yeah, they're a little messy. They look like they got the morning beard. The morning beard. I cracked myself up. But yes, you guys, I'm so excited. So I'm going to grab a couple of these for myself as well as for you guys. I'm not sure which ones I want yet because I noticed that there's two patterns. So I already have them from last year or the year before. So either way, I'm still going to grab some. But yeah, and I'll definitely grab one of each for you guys for the Christmas giveaway. So, and speaking of giveaways, I do have the 99cent only store giveaway coming up or going on right now, which is actually being sponsored by the 99 themselves. So I'm really excited about that. So if you haven't checked out that video, I will link it down below. So let's continue on with the walkthrough. Oh, and check this out. They have a whole wall of kitchen accessories, the little pot holders, and the oven mitts. Oh, this one's new. Haven't seen this one before. The little snowman. That one says "Let it snow." Yeah, these are actually, a lot of these are new. Like the Christmas tree one, and then the snowman. I'm gonna take a step back so you guys can see better. How cute! And always as a reminder, if you guys don't use the pot holders, I mean, actually don't use any of them for actual other than just decor, because they will burn your hands, and I speak from experience. All right, let's keep exploring and see what other items we can find. I don't know why they didn't have everything together, but look at these placemats, farm fresh Christmas trees. I'm sure they have other ones behind it. That one says joy. Oh, I'll pick that up. Yeah, and that one says joy. Then they have the little towels to match the oven mitts and such. So, but yeah, these are really cute for $1.25. Oh my god, you guys, they just rolled out the Christmas floor mats. I'm like, what are they called? Happy holidays, dashing through the snow, merry and bright. I love these. Oh my god, people have to be so nosy. Just let me record, people. Stop staring at me, it's so weird. But anyway, merry and bright, happy holidays. How cute. I love these. And look at these cute little angels, which for the chimney. And they also have the little Santa. How adorable are these? And these are giving me high-end vibes. I know so many stores are carrying this year, so I'm actually really excited to see that Dollar Tree has something very, very similar. These are actually really nice though. So $1.25 is a great price for these dupes. And I know we've seen these many years and they are back. They are definitely a classic or a staple here at Dollar Tree, but definitely excited about these. Let me know in the comment section which item is your favorite so far from Dollar Tree. Oh, and look, they have these stockings. I don't know if that's supposed to be a fish. And they have Santa, and then of course they have the monogram ones, and a shark, I guess. Sharks are in now. And then they have the black Santa. How cute are all of these little stockings? Oh, and they have the little bone. Oh, it's supposed to be for the kitties. Okay, got it. Okay, I was wondering, I was like, why is there a fish? Now that I see the bone, I makes sense. But how cute are these? All right, let's see. Okay, maybe today I will find my sign that I've been looking for. Fingers crossed. All right, so far I am not seeing the sign that I'm looking for, which is the red truck with the have these little wooden DIY craft kits. For a second, this is supposed to be a turkey. No, it's actually a little moose, or reindeer rather. Oops. And look at these. How cute. Very nice. Keep the kiddos busy, at least for an hour, or maybe 10 minutes, depending on their. Oh, I like these. Oh, these boxes are just so stinking cute. I like that they're raised, so it gives a little bit more dimension, and they are very glittery. Look at that. How cute are these? Perfect for, like, you know, small gifts. If you want to do like a little t-shirt or something, or like a scarf. And look at this, Santa on vacation. Hey, Santa's got some big coin. Santa's on a little private beach somewhere in Hawaii. How cool is that? That is so stinking cute. And look at this, the little Nomi with the cobblestone house. Oh, that is so stinking cute. You guys, these are such a great deal for $1.25. You can even just use them to, like, for decorations. You know, put around the coffee bar or even under the tree just for filler. Yeah, these are so cute. I can't. Oh, I mean, like, we need one with the little kitties too. Kitties need representation. And let's see if there's any more. Yeah, these are adorable. And honestly, something like this would run you a lot more at a regular store. So there's even more mugs. This one says hot cocoa served here, and this one says nice until proven naughty. Oh, that is funny. I like the Dollar Tree has jokes. And I know we've already seen these. And look at these. Oh, the little paws. Happy Paw days. Oh, that is cute. Oh, that is seriously, that is too cute. Let's see if there's any other ones I can kind of pull out for you guys. I think those are it. But how cute are those? These are definitely new. I had not seen these already. I've seen these before, so great for teachers' gifts, like early Christmas gifts. It could be like a little gift card or something, you know, just something that they could use. And I also do have the hot cocoa here as well. Look at these. I haven't seen these before. I know a few people have been posting them. I'll just say in person, they're pretty big. So I'm sure a lot of you will do some amazing crafts with those. And since we're here, let's see if there's anything else that stands out. Oh, these are cute. Can't really read it. Dream big. I feel like they used the wrong color there. It's kind of hard to read. Let's see, the little star. Oh, this is. For a second, I saw this and I'm like, is that a fork? And then they have the little emojis. Oh, these are also new. I haven't seen these. They have the star. Sorry, the little flower. And let's see if there's anything else. Oh, these are also new. Oh wow, there is a whole thing of new. Wow, look at me finding new stuff. Yeah, these are cute. I like that they have the little beads. So you could always color them in, paint them and stuff so you can make them your own. These are also, oh, these are gorgeous. I'm sure a lot of you are going to be doing some amazing crafts with those. And look at these. You can kind of, oh, I thought it was like a plaque. They're individual. And then they have the blackboard as well. These are nice. These are very fancy. Come through Dollar Tree with your fancy stuff. All right, let's keep looking. You guys have never seen these before, the little arrows at Dollar Tree. They are made out of like wood, very light wood. But how cute is that? You get two in here for $1.25. Very nice. Alright, so these are definitely new. I haven't seen these before. Look at these. These are just plain wooden signs. And then they have this one, which kind of has patterns. I like that. Again, new. I haven't seen these. And they actually have more down here. Look at that. Oh, interesting. That is cool. I guess you could just hang it like that. And you could do a DIY. I don't know. I would just hang it like that. All right, let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. Wow, you guys. So I just wanted to pop into the food section to see if there's anything new. And they have these here. These are cones. You get 4 of each, so you get 8 ice creams. Let me know if you think it's $5 is a good deal. Oh, the unicorn one looks cool. And I love these These are like the mini ones, but they are so delicious. And then they also have the chocolate covered ones. So hey, and they even have salmon. Okay, come through Dollar Tree with your fancy meals. Tostinos, which I think this is a pretty big bag, so that is not bad. You get 50 in a pack for $5. 800 Tyson nuggets. All right, yeah, we got some good stuff coming up over here. And then over here, I did notice they also have some pizzas, which I think $4 is not bad. So that's cheaper than the ones you can get at 7-Eleven. Which I actually tried, which they were okay, but I feel like these probably be better. So yeah, $4 for a pizza, a little cheap meal on the go, or a quick meal, maybe not on the go, but you guys know what I mean.